Hello everyone, welcome back to Arcus Studio by Vandana. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to crochet this cute and easy heart shape. This beginner friendly project works up quickly and is perfect for using leftover yarn. You can use these hearts to decorate bookmarks, keychains, bags, greeting cards, bracelets, back charms, and many more. So grab your yarn and hook and let's start crocheting. Create magic ring as I have shown in my previous tutorials. Chain 2 to fix the magic ring and start heart crocheting heart. Yarn over 2 times to make a treble crochet. Pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Your first treble crochet is ready. One more treble you have to make. Yarn over 2 times on the hook. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So your 3 treble crochet are ready. Now you have to make 4 double crochet in the same magic ring. One double crochet, yarn over, second double crochet, yarn over, pull through one loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is the third double crochet, and this is the fourth double crochet. So now you have 7 crochet stitches. Now one more treble in the same magic ring. Pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again yarn over and make 4 double crochet in the same magic ring. After finishing 4 double crochet, you have to start with 3 treble crochet. Yarn over 2 times, insert hook in the magic ring, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. This is second treble made. Now the third treble. Now to complete the heart shape, make chain 2 and slip stitch into the magic ring. Your heart shape is quick and easy. Pull the magic ring long tail and you can see your heart shape is ready. Your crochet heart is complete, and I hope it brings a little extra joy to whatever project you use it for. Small handmade details can make such a big difference. Thanks for crocheting along with me today. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and I will meet you again in the next stage. Bye. Happy crocheting from Arcus Studio by Vandana.